base?
I'm running North Queensland, carting a lot of white goods, a lot of express freight. My fleet consists of 28 trucks and about 58 trailers. Yeah, I have Kenworths. I've been brought up in Kenworths. They're a good, reliable truck. They're a good-looking truck, good resale value, good to get parts. Yeah, good from a business point of view too. Whole life been in trucking. Grew up on it with my father, and that's all I've ever done. Yeah, this is my business, me and my wife. Yep. Oh yeah, transport has always been a tough industry and a small margin. They'd average around 260,000 k's a year roughly. You know, we don't unload it, we keep them. We just keep rebuilding them. I've been using Penrite now for, I would say, roughly around maybe 16 years. And the reason I went there because I had a mechanic used to come over and do work, and he was mechanic in the company, and they went to it. They lifted their service intervals from 20,000 to 30,000 and got it tested and was still come back good. We've pulled motors down and done 1.6 and the bearings have come out like new. Good service. They supplied a tank, so we get bulk oil delivered. And yeah, we use our coolant now, degreaser, diff oils, brake cleaner. Nothing is ever a drama. We run short of something, we ring them up and they'll get it out. They're good to work with. So we've stuck with them, you know what I mean? Oh, it does mean a lot being an Aussie company, and we use a range of convoy oils, for the engine oils, our gearbox oils, the synthetic oils, and for our diff oils, it's all Penrite. Everything is Penrite right through, even to the greases, we use. Synthetic in the gearboxes and just mineral in the diffs. Lubrication is a good part. It's like, it's the heart of the motor. So you want a good product in it because it does a lot of work, a lot of hours, Some of their motors, they're doing up to nearly 30,000 engine hours, like before you pull them down. Oh, like I can't see us, change of a Penrite. It's, like I said, it's good product, good service, it's Australian owned. And why Penrite? Because it works. Simple as that. And their prices are very competitive, But like I said, because of the service, they come out, Eric comes out, he checks the tank and see how much bulk oil we need for the bulk run. So, and then ask the boys in the workshop, what else do we need? We'll walk around and have a look too, Check a drum, because we still got the diff oils in the 205 drum. So, he does his job, and like I said, it all comes together.